And the sunflower is the plant that I picked. I'm outside because it's so nice out today, and the snow just all melted. So here's the sunflower, or the scientific name is Helianthus. Helianthus. It's a shrub. It grows from about May to September, so 5 to 6 months depending on the first frost. It's an annual and perennial plant. The perennial plant has small seeds, and the annual plant grows the first bloom, or it blooms the first year that it's planted. It has a photosynthetic pathway, which is this picture. It shows the sun provides light. Sunflowers take an excessive amount of sunlight. It produces it takes in carbon dioxide. The leaves produce oxygen. The leaves also have carbohydrates, and they take quite a bit of water. So next is the history. The sunflower has been around since 3000 BC. The American Indian was the first people who domesticated it, making it it was a single bloom at the time, and there's tons of different colors. There's red and white stripes. There's a little bit brown and white. It gets spread mostly by the wind can carry it. By the seeds are super small and super light. There's also birds and squirrels. The birds really like the sunflower seeds, so they carry most of the seeds and spread it really fast. The next is the grown, and here's a picture of the United States where most of the corn is grown. Nebraska is actually in western Nebraska. It has the greatest concentration of sunflower seeds. I also got a diagram of the world. You can't really read that well, but Ukraine leads in the sunflower seed production, and the Russian Federation is coming like a close second. It's like 36% to 33%. And then Argentina and China are the next two, and France is the 5th leader in sunflower seed production. So there's a bunch of different foods for sunflower seeds. And I got a couple today. There's butter, there's sunflower seed butter. There's also oil, which is used. And here's a diagram of the oils that are used. It's cottonseed oil, soybean, and sunflower. And in 2003 to about 2013, sunflower oil was the most used oil for edible types of oil. Also, it's used for typically like bird seed and squirrel seed is one of the most common, and people who have livestock also use it as feed. And I choose sunflowers, so they make all sorts of different kinds. There's peppers, there's ranch, there's taco, and barbecue, and there's like dill pickle, which is my favorite. But I really like sunflower seeds, and so that's why I picked this plant. A couple things about sunflowers. Sunflowers thrive in lightly acidic soil, so just a little bit of acid, and so it really helps them grow. And there's some really cool fun facts that I found. They're native to America, and then Americans brought them to Russia by royalty, kings and queens, others, princes. Corn needs a lot of rays, a lot of sun rays, and a lot of room to grow. So typically sunflowers are planted 30 inches apart, 2 feet to 30 inches apart. They track the sun, so you'll see their heads kind of, some of them turn and stuff. They'll follow the sun. That's how they grow, is the bloom faces the sun. The tallest sunflower ever recorded is 30 feet and 1 inch. And they also are known to heal, like chest pain is what some people said. And they were on the moon. When the astronauts landed on the moon, there was a bag of sunflower seeds in the space shuttle at that time. So there's a couple fun facts. I found all my information at iastate.edu, mentafloss.com, almanac.com, and sunflowersnsa.com. Thanks.